Staying productive is an empty request when you don't really know how. Productivity is more than just staying busy. It is moving forward towards accomplishing what you need to get done. A lot of the time, our lives are so hectic that we don't have time to stop and think if we are actually being productive. I am inviting you to take that time out now and join me in reviewing this 10-point checklist to being monumentally productive. Then, we can hit the ground running in the right direction. If this is your first time here, please hit that subscribe button to keep up to date with all our fresh content. If you like learning with us and growing your mind, please give us a thumbs up. This small show of support helps us out so much and also allows others to find our content easier when they need it. So go ahead and pay it forward. Set daily, weekly, and monthly goals. Big goals should always be broken down into manageable pieces. Ultimate, or even yearly goals should be broken down into realistic goals that you can accomplish in about a month. These, in turn, should be broken down into weekly goals. Once the goals are broken down weekly, every day you should be checking in on them and deciding what you can do today to cross something off this list. Staying goal-oriented is a natural productivity booster. When you are always looking for ways to accomplish your goals, it is easy to move forward and get things done. Also, you will always have something productive to do rather than being bored. Start early. Start projects as soon as you get them or think them up. There is no point in putting them off for later because now is when the creativity is sparking. Regardless of if it's an assignment for school or a project at home, start it now. At the very least, put pen to paper and write out a rough outline of what you would like to include, how you would like to organize it, and what you want it to look like in the end. This can take as little as 15 minutes, but it's already started. As the days progress, start hashing out some of the specifics. Gather research or write pieces of the draft. You will be surprised how much progress you will make even with dedicating this small amount of time and effort to it now. When you are ready to sit down and dedicate actual time to the project, it will be basically prepared to just be pieced together. This will leave you with more time to dive into the details and make sure that it is put together exactly how you want it. Take breaks often. Taking breaks, while counterintuitive, boosts your productivity in so many ways. First, it refuels your ability to concentrate on a task. Taking breaks can refresh you and bring a second wind to get things done. Secondly, when you return, you can quickly reassess the progress you've made. From there, you can review the overall headway in order to avoid traveling down a rabbit hole by over-focusing on one specific detail. Finally, it gives you a chance to stretch, get your blood pumping, and grab yourself a snack, all things that fuel a creative brain. We have a great playlist of productivity promoting music with scheduled breaks included to help keep you on focus when you need to be and taking breaks when you're supposed to. Check out the link in the description. Plan your time. When you plan your day, make sure to include how much time you expect to spend on each project, as well as any obligations that you already have scheduled. This will help you to more realistically decide what you can tackle on any given day. Overburdening yourself with more tasks than you can hope to accomplish will do the opposite of motivating you. Avoiding these pitfalls will go a long way in keeping yourself productive. Block off specific periods throughout the day in order to accomplish certain tasks. This attention to detail when planning will increase the likelihood of you being successful in accomplishing what you need to do. Turn off distractions. Distractions are the enemy of productivity. Once you are distracted, it takes minutes before you can get back into focus, and even longer before you reach the pace that you were working at prior to the interruption. When you have a task at hand that needs your complete focus, turn off or mute anything that might pull your attention away. This includes phones, tablets, and even your computer monitor. Once you have completed your task and you are taking a break, you can check in on anything you might have missed. Do not multitask. Try to devote your complete focus to one task at a time. You will complete that task much faster than trying to juggle many at once. If you feel anxiety about not multitasking, try to write down these thoughts as they circle around in your head. When you have finished the task at hand, review this list and add any of the contents, if they are constructive, to the projects they are destined for. Then, start on the next project. By doing this, you are not going to forget any of the amazing ideas that come to you at these inopportune times. You are also crossing more items off your list faster by dedicating your complete efforts to one project at a time. Make a to-do list. Keeping a hard copy of your to-do list keeps you more productive and ensures that things stay organized and no balls are dropped. Review your to-do list multiple times a day and decide if there is anything that you can take care of and cross off. Ticking items off your list will boost your productivity because the sense of accomplishment is second to none. This feeling will propel you to tackle more and more items. Before you know it, you will be ahead of schedule. This will also keep you organized while planning your day. You will easily be able to assign specific tasks to certain days where the time allows you to be dedicated to them. Finally, multi-part tasks that are hard to keep track of, or tasks that are easily forgotten, will no longer be an issue as they are immortalized on your list until they have been taken care of. Use your planner. Daily plans, to-do lists, shopping lists, and even random thoughts are best kept in the same place. Planners are ideal for this and can be the next best thing to a personal assistant. If you do not have a planner, I highly suggest that you invest in one and use it to its full potential. This will be your trusted sidekick and will keep track of everything you need it to. There are so many different types of planners, and they can keep track of nearly anything you can dream up. Do not underestimate the usefulness of this tool. Follow the 2-minute rule. If it takes less than 2 minutes to complete, do it now. It's as simple as that. 2-minute tasks should be completed as early as possible, rather than being added to your to-do list or put off till later. These tasks are also a great source of motivation. It will only take a minute for you to do it, and once you're already up and busy being productive, you might as well tackle something that takes a little longer. Tackle your hardest task first. Get the hardest task off your list as soon as possible. Whether they are hard because they are time-consuming or they take a lot of effort. The longer they linger, the longer you have to stare at them. This can lead to dread in having to undertake them. Don't let this happen. Tackle them as early as possible so that you can coast for the rest of the day. You will get such a motivational boost from completing this big task that the rest of your day will be a piece of cake. Did we miss out on any ways to stay productive? What is your best productivity booster? Leave it in the comments below. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss a single video. If you are so inclined, give us a thumbs up so we know you want more videos like this. Also, check out our website to get exclusive content and study materials. Just click the link in the description. Or, since you're already here, check out our study hacks and our organizational tips playlists to help you stay on top of not only schoolwork, but life as well. Be absolutely prepared, absolutely confident, absolutely stunning, with absolutely studying.